Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make Urid Dal Chutney today. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Preheat frying pan and add Urid Dal. Keep roasting it until it turns golden. Once it's golden, turn off the flame and let it cool down. Add onions, garlic and roasted urid dal into your blender. Also add grated coconut, red chili or red chili powder, some salt to taste and water. Blend it well and your Urid Dal Chutney is ready to serve. You can temper it if needed. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.